So hello everyone. So now what we are making here is okay. So it is a swan, and I think she's having a very pretty cute. What do you call it? A very cute. God, yeah, I forgot this thing. I literally forgot this thing. But yeah, she's having something. Yeah, whatever. Okay, done. Now crown. Yeah, crown. That's what I was thinking of. Okay, now moving forward, though I was little late. So your crab is all here, and okay. So here it is all done. Now just make your, as you all know that these are found on your beaches and your sea. So yeah, there should be a coconut tree around, and that's what we are making here. So now fill your drawing with the colors and done. Now moving forward, what we are making here is okay. I am in love with these eyes. I just don't care about anything else now. These eyes are just everything. But this is your cute giraffe, and yeah, with the long neck you can get them. And now fill it with your desired colors. And for the reference colors, we are here for you guys. So 1, 2, 3, and your colors are here. Now moving forward, take your oil pastels, and these are not actually oil pastels, these are some crayons. So take them and fill the colors as we are doing it here, and follow it, yeah. And now with the help of your finger, just smudge it around, and okay. Now take out your marker pens, put a tape, and now the next thing is okay. So we are making, I think, a reflection here. Yeah, that's what I was right, and this is my favorite till now. It's beautiful. So thank you for watching the video.